Hey there fam! So lately I've been listening to podcasts about alien conspiracy theories and that's how I got the idea of what I'm going to create today. Since I don't know where to start, let's find some inspiration and references online. My go-to place has always been Pinterest, so let's search for some UFO right there. I found a lot of amazing works and I think I now know what I'm going to do. But before I begin with the photo manipulation, I'm going to start with a sketch. Using Procreate on the iPad, let's start sketching.
Don't force me out of bed in your society. Don't push me down the road you're playing down. Don't try to fix my head, it's just your anxiety. Don't hush me now cause I just wanna shout.
The sketch helps me see what would be the overall concept of the piece, and it's easier to look for photo assets if you have an initial sketch. Now that I have the sketch, let's look for some photo assets online. We need trees, a person standing, and of course a UFO. We also need to download some extra objects for the details. And now we're ready, so let's run Photoshop and start editing.
Try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now. It's time that you made your mind up, cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay. Cause now is the right time, and I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win right now. You got me on tonight, cause loving you is like I'm walking a tightrope so high. I won't be turning around, no, I won't be turning around. I'll do it on my way. I'm gonna show you what I'm going through, get you out of your comfort zone, cause I need more of the truth right now. It's time that you made your mind up, cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay. Cause now is the right time, and I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win right now. You got me on tonight, cause loving you is like I'm walking a tightrope so high. I won't be turning around, no, I won't be turning around.
It has been 3 hours and we are finally done with the editing, and now, here's the abduction.